What's going on, everybody? So today we're going to be running some Harley FXR intake covers. Actually doing this for a buddy of mine. He hit me up and here we are. So I actually got a piece of aluminum. I don't know if you can see it. Got a piece of aluminum, but I actually got some tape and super glued it to another piece. And that's how we're going to be cutting it today. So we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't fly off, but I don't know. It's possible. So I actually got me a Bamboo Labs printer, and it prints phenomenal. I actually made me some soft jaws, so whenever I flip it over and do the other side, I can do it. And I didn't have to machine any jaws, so it fucking literally works overnight. And I got to sleep, and I woke up, and there were some jaws made. And I'll show you all that here shortly, but here we go. Let's get started on this first stop. That worked phenomenally well, like a lot better than I thought. There's your cleanup right there, buddy. Pull this other tape off of the plate that we cut. Should be pretty easy as well, hopefully. Maybe. Alright. So, now what we could do is, so this is what we got. This is what we're working with so far. Now I got to put it in those vice jaws I made, and then face it, round over the edge, and that's it, guys. So let me go and get those jaws out, put them on the machine, and then we'll start running the second side. Oh yeah. Alright guys, we're finishing up this air cleaner cover. Just about done. So alright guys, so we're about an hour and a half into this project. We're damn near done. I probably got about 20 minutes left of polishing this thing up. But we're done. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for being here with me today. Really do appreciate it. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what you want to see. I'm really impressed with the Bamboo Lab jaws that I printed. Everything worked great. I don't have any complaints whatsoever. So if you're interested, maybe I can post a Bamboo Labs video. But let me know. Like I said, drop a comment, and let's try and get to 1,000 subscribers. I know we're about halfway there. The faster we can get there, the faster I can start giving back to you guys, you know, throw out some calipers, some mics, set of mics, you know, tooling, whatever you guys want. But yeah, like I said, thanks guys, appreciate it. Peace.